In the quiet corners of despair, could the answers to our emotional battles be hidden within the very nutrients we consume? Join me on an emotional journey as we unveil the profound connection between nutrition and the enigmatic shadows of depression. Unveiling the unseen dance of nutrition and depression. In a world where the heart's whispers often fade into the background, let's embark on a journey to explore the intricate dance of emotions and nutrients that intertwine within us, a dance that might hold the key to unlocking the mysteries of depression. But before we dive into the vitamins and minerals that are affecting our moods, make sure to stay till the end of the video for bonus tips on how to boost your mood naturally using certain herbs and supplements. Vitamin D, a ray of hope in the darkness. Imagine a nutrient not only coursing through your veins, but also casting its light on your emotional well-being. Enter vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin, not merely essential for bones, but an illuminating force for your mood. Its absence has been linked to the shadows of depression, a reminder that even our internal sun seeks its rays. Vitamin E, nurturing more than skin. Let's delve into the world of vitamin E, an antioxidant powerhouse celebrated for its impact on skin. Yet, its reach extends beyond the surface. It stands guard against the storms of oxidative stress, offering solace not just to your skin, but perhaps to the turmoil within. Nuts, seeds, and verdant greens are your allies on this journey towards emotional resilience. Vitamin C, from zest to emotional restoration. Now, let's embrace the zest of vitamin C, known for its immune-boosting properties. But its impact stretches beyond physical health. Could it be the vibrant remedy that lifts emotional lows? Citrus fruits, like beacons of joy, offer a potential path to combating the shadows. Magnesium, the quiet soother of turbulent minds. Transition into the world of minerals, where magnesium takes center stage. This unassuming mineral wields the power to calm your nervous system, a possible balm for the storms of anxiety and depression. Its quiet influence reminds us that sometimes, the most profound remedies come from the gentlest sources. Omega-3 fatty acids, nourishment for mind and soul. Meet the unsung heroes. Omega-3 fatty acids, celebrated for their cognitive benefits. Yet, their embrace extends to the realm of emotional well-being. Fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts become more than ingredients, they become tools in your arsenal against the battles within. Zinc, guardian of mind and spirit. Shift the spotlight to zinc, a humble guardian of your mind and spirit. Often overshadowed, this essential mineral plays a pivotal role in neurotransmitter function. Could its absence be a missing piece in the puzzle of depression? Lean meats, nuts, and seeds become vessels of potential healing. B vitamins, energizing emotional resilience. Enter the ensemble of B vitamins, each playing a role in emotional resilience. Could their deficiency contribute to mood disorders? This ensemble, often overlooked, might just hold the notes to maintaining emotional equilibrium. Iron, beyond blood, an emotional anchor. Delve into the world of iron, an element often associated with blood, yet intricately linked to emotional vitality. Its deficiency whispers of fatigue and low mood, a reminder that our emotions are woven into the fabric of our physical being. Amino acids, the building blocks of hope. Embrace the quiet influence of amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. L-tryptophan, for instance, creates serotonin, a neurotransmitter linked to happiness. Could these humble molecules hold the threads of hope in the tapestry of depression? Folate, the nature's nurturer of emotions. Venture into the realm of folate, a B vitamin essential for brain function. Its role in producing neurotransmitters could be pivotal for emotional well-being. Leafy greens, lentils, and beans become the vessels carrying the potential for emotional restoration. Bonus tips, guiding lights in the darkness. Pause and linger, for within these bonus tips lies a map towards emotional radiance. Unveiling nature's toolkit, herbs and supplements for depression. Imagine a world where the lush bounty of nature could lend a helping hand in the battle against depression. Let's embark on a journey through herbs and supplements that might just be the allies our souls are yearning for. Saffron, a ray of gold and hope. Step into the vibrant embrace of saffron, a spice known for its brilliant hue and culinary charm. But beneath its beauty lies a potential antidote to mild depression. Its compounds are thought to boost mood by influencing serotonin levels. Could this golden treasure be a source of emotional illumination? Rhodiola rosea, the adaptogenic companion. Step into the world of adaptogens with Rhodiola rosea. This herb is celebrated for its potential to combat stress, which often walks hand in hand with depression. Could Rhodiola rosea be the guiding light during moments of emotional turbulence? Vitamin B6, orchestrating emotional balance. Vitamin B6, another member of the B vitamin family, enters the spotlight. This nutrient plays a role in neurotransmitter synthesis, impacting mood regulation. Could vitamin B6 be the conductor orchestrating the balance of our emotional symphony? Probiotics, nurturing the gut-brain connection. Venture into the realm of probiotics, the friendly bacteria that nourish our gut. Growing research suggests a strong link between gut health and mental well-being. Could nurturing our gut with probiotics also nurture our emotional landscape? Ashwagandha, the ancient healer. Explore the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda with ashwagandha. This adaptogenic herb is believed to reduce stress and anxiety, emotions that often intertwine with depression. Could ashwagandha be a bridge to emotional equilibrium? Conclusion: nature's tender embrace. As we wrap up our journey through nature's pharmacy, let's remember that the world of herbs and supplements offers a tender embrace in the battle against depression. From the golden hues of saffron to the oceanic waves of omega-3s, these natural remedies remind us that healing can often be found in the arms of nature. The final whisper, a glimpse of hope. Hold on to hope as our exploration draws to a close. But before you go, there's a whisper of promise, a glimpse of hope that awaits you. Stay a while longer, for this final insight might just illuminate a path towards a brighter emotional future. Before you go, a gentle reminder: if you found value in this journey, if it resonated with your heart, don't forget to show some love. Hit that like button and share this with friends who might benefit. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content that nurtures the soul. Thank you again for being a part of this beautiful community. Until next time, stay joyful, stay balanced, and keep shining bright. Take care and see you soon.